Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we need to talk about iOS 18 and how Apple has completely dropped the ball with its biggest feature, Apple Intelligence. iOS 18 was first announced in June of 2024, and Apple promised a bunch of game-changing AI features. The update was released to the public later that year in September, and Apple Intelligence finally launched in October of 2024 with iOS 18.1. So, we fast forward 9 months since the announcement, 6 months since the public release of iOS 18, and 5 months since Apple Intelligence rolled out, and guess what? The most anticipated features are still missing. So the big question is, has Apple failed with iOS 18? Let's break it down. Now, to be fair, Apple Intelligence has brought some useful AI features. We've seen things like Genmoji, image wands, text summarizations, notification summaries, cool tools, but nothing groundbreaking. Siri has also received some notable improvements, a new glowing edge animation so Siri doesn't interrupt with what you're doing, improved natural language processing for more expressive and natural voice, better error handling when you stumble over your words, and Type to Siri is easier to access just by tapping at the bottom edge of your screen. We've also gotten some smart keyboard suggestions for faster response, and ChatGPT integration for more complex questions. But let's be honest, these aren't the features that we were promised. The major AI advancements that should have changed how we use our iPhones are still nowhere to be found. The problem is that Apple promised these features that would truly redefine how Siri works, and those are still missing. Here are the features that we're still waiting for. On-screen awareness for Siri. Imagine Siri actually understanding what's on your screen. For example, if a friend texts you their new address, you could say, "Hey Siri, add this to their contact card." Siri would then read the message and do it automatically. No copying and pasting needed. This feature would have been a game changer for multitasking, allowing Siri to be more context aware and truly useful. But instead, we're left waiting. Another feature we're missing is cross-app functionality with in-app actions. Right now, Siri can set timers, send messages, and add calendar events. But let's be real, we can do some of those things and sometimes even faster just ourselves. What we were promised was a true AI assistant that could send a draft email to a specific person without needing extra prompts, edit a photo with AI and drop it straight into the Notes app with one command, seamlessly move content between apps without extra steps. This is the kind of AI power automation we expected, but it's still missing. Now, another feature that Apple hyped up was personal context awareness, where Siri could actually understand your personal data. For example, if you needed a receipt from a friend sent weeks ago, Siri could find it across messages, notes, mails without you having to search. If you were booking a flight, Siri could automatically pull up your passport details like your passport number, store it in the Notes app, and fill it out automatically for you. And all of this would happen on device for privacy reasons. But now there's reports that say it could even be delayed into iOS 19 or even into 2026. So has Apple completely failed with iOS 18? At this point, it's starting to feel like another AirPower situation. You know, the wireless charger that was supposed to charge an iPhone, AirPods, and even an Apple Watch at the same time, no matter where you place down each device. Well, this situation feels very similar, where Apple announces a groundbreaking product only for it to be delayed indefinitely and then eventually quietly scrapped. If some of these core Apple Intelligent features don't arrive until 2026, that would be a full 2 years after Apple announced them. At that point, would they feel innovative anymore? Would they even try to roll them out? Here's my take. iOS 18 has been stable for me overall. The AI-powered features that have launched are fun, but not game-changing. But if Apple overpromised and undelivered, they need to be transparent about it. If we don't see these features soon, Apple Intelligence could go down as one of the biggest letdowns in iOS history. But don't get me wrong, Apple is known for being late to the game on features and products, but when they finally release them, they always seem to hit the mark. So I still have hope they can pull it off. In any case, what do you guys think? Did Apple overpromise and underdeliver with iOS 18? Do you still have hope for Apple Intelligence? Or do you think Apple will quietly sweep this under the rug? Would you rather Apple delay the features until they are perfect, or do you think they should release them now even if they're not 100% ready? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think about all of this. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you haven't already, turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.